Yeah, so everybody's going crazy with the water here in California because of the earthquakes recently. Jay and I, we're gonna get some water here. Here's Jay. That's our basket right here. Think we should get one more? Get one more. Just we could get another one. I would say get a couple of more. Get another one, baby. You can never have too much water, especially when you need it. I didn't expect to have such a great vlog once again. There's always something happening. Okay, now we're going to the canned goods section. Let's go. Bags are heavy. Now, the thing is about this, we got to get out the store before an earthquake happens and all the registers close and the lights go out. We need candles and batteries. Hello. Another lady with a lot of water. Okay, what? Oh yeah, we're going to canned goods section. Let's see. Here's a canned goods. There's a canned goods section. So, another basket with water. Let's see. Try to get things where you can open without a can opener. We don't eat pineapples like that. Do you? Grab one. Might need it. You'll eat anything when we're hungry. Try to get things we like. Pizzas. No, that's... You get canned goods because it doesn't have to be refrigerated. Let's see. Beans. Get some beans right there. Get a... Two of these. Let's see what else. And toe bands. Yeah, I'm just good. What we're trying to do is get things that don't have to be warm. You could just eat it if you're hungry. Corn. It's good. Now, check this out. Low price leader, California. Yeah, you can't leave this alone. Just get in nice suits.
Would you like it?
Yeah, get big cans. Ain't no little can gonna do for us. People are preparing for the worst. And we are trying to survive just in case. Serious issue. As you can see here, people do care about their families. We want to live, we want to survive. Now, we can't be grabbing stuff, we can't afford it. So we got to watch what we're doing. That's another thing. We can't just be grabbing stuff. You get up there to the register because you're panicking. Let's get out of here. Water isn't expensive, but it sure is important. And you'll realize it when it's all gone and you ain't got it. You know what? Let me see.
All right.
So, let's get up to the line. It's always good to try to save a little money or save something to help yourself in case of emergency. Now, we done already bought toiletries and things like that, but while we're here, Jay, I think we should get another roll of toilet paper and wet wipes just to have it. Another package, but let's see. Oh, scan and go. No register person here, just us. So, and really, you know, time is of the essence when you're doing things like this. Like I said, I've been in a store in a storm when you're purchasing things and the lights go out, the register goes out, and they start ushering everybody out the store. So to get your items and get out of here and get it to your home safely is the thing to do. And then start mounting things that may fall over. You might want to start tethering things down, moving things around for safety. It was really amazing to see how many people are getting water. How many people, we want to survive, man. We don't want no problems out here in the desert.